Animals play a vital role in daily life, whether it would be as pets, food source, and maintaining ecological balance. The relationship between animals and the environment is closely connected. The problem arises when diseases from these animals are transmitted. Animal diseases are caused by harmful bacteria, viruses, and parasites. These diseases can spread from animals to humans and the environment. They can cause major challenges such as disrupt livestock supply, reduce food security, and threaten human health. It is very important for us to help identify how these diseases spread and their effects. This allows for development of preventive and protective measures as well as supports ecosystem balance and animal population health.
So right now, let's take a look at how animal diseases can spread. There are 5 main transmission. The first one is through a direct contact. It is happening when people are touching infected animals or their fluid, especially through a cut or mucous membrane. It is common among farm workers and vets. The second one is through the indirect contact. Diseases like foot and mouth disease can spread through contaminated tools, food, or clothing. The virus also can survive in saliva, milk, and dung. The third one is vector-borne transmission. Mosquito can carry virus like Rift Valley fever, which is infecting animal and human through their bite. 4. Contaminated food or water. Pathogen from animal waste can enter the food chain, causing illness like salmonella when consumed. Lastly, through airborne transmission. Disease like avian influenza can spread through a droplet from a sneezing or a coughing animal, especially in a crowded farm.
Hi everyone! Today I'll be explaining about several animal diseases and their implication on humans, animals, and the environment. First, brucellosis is a bacterial disease that mainly affects cattle, goats, and sheep. It can spread to humans through direct contact with infected animals or by consuming unpasteurized dairy products. Next, salmonellosis is caused by Salmonella bacteria. It spreads through contaminated food, especially eggs, meat, and dairy. It can cause diarrhea and fever and can be really dangerous for children and the elderly. Lastly, foot and mouth disease, or which we can call it as FMD. It usually affects cattle, pigs, and goats. Even though it rarely infects humans, it has serious economic impacts because infected animals must be killed to prevent the spread. This leads to trade restriction and loss of income for farmers. Overall, these examples show why the One Health approach is important, because protecting animal health also means protecting humans and environmental health.
Hello guys, now I would like to talk about ways to prevent and control the spread of animal disease. The first way is quarantine. New or sick animal must be sprayed before joining others to avoid infection. The second one is vaccination. Like human, animals need vaccine to fight disease. Vaccine can save many animals. For example, dog get rabies. Vaccine to protect animals and people. The last step is good nutrition and clean water. Animals need a balanced diet such as protein, carbohydrate, fat, vitamin, mineral, and clean water. A balanced diet helps animals grow healthy and stay active.
In conclusion, animal disease not only affect animals but also harm humans, food security, and the environment. This disease can spread through contact, contaminated food or water, and insects like mosquito and flies. To prevent them, we need proper measures such as quarantine, vaccination, and good hygiene. Everyone, especially farmers and communities, must work together to protect both animals and people. By applying the One Health approach, which links animal, human, and environmental health, we can reduce outbreaks and create a safer, healthier world for all.